Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are making these stunning, lightweight boho circle earrings. They have this gorgeous dual-tone, earthy vibe, and the best part? They are incredibly quick to whip up, perfect for last-minute gifts or a fun weekend project. If you've struggled with the magic ring before, don't worry. We are using a super simple chain technique today that gives you a perfect clean center every time. Grab your hooks and let's get started. We are going to start with our lighter beige or light brown yarn. To kick things off, go ahead and make a slip knot. Now, instead of a magic circle, we are going to chain 4. Once you have your 4 chains, slip stitch into that very first chain to form a tiny ring. Perfect! For round 1, chain 2, this counts as our first stitch height. Now, we are going to work 14 double crochets right into the center of that ring we just made. Make sure you're crocheting over your yarn tail so you can easily hide it later. Once you've worked all 14 double crochets, no magic ring required. Pull that center tail tight if needed. For round 2, chain 2 again. To expand our circle perfectly flat, and slip stitch into the top of your starting chain to close the round. Look how clean that looks! We are going to put 2 double crochets into every single stitch all the way around. This will give us a total of 28 stitches for this outer row. Keep your tension nice and even so the earring stays perfectly flat.
كن فيكن يا منبع الحياة.
Now that our large beige circle is done, set it aside. We are going to repeat the exact same technique for our smaller, dark brown circle. Once again, start with your slip knot and chain. 4. Slip stitch into the first chain to make your loop. For this smaller circle, we only need one section. Chain 2 and work 12 double crochets into the center ring. slip stitch to close, fasten off, and weave in your ends. It's that simple. With both of our circles ready, it's time to assemble. Bring out your fabric glue or a hot glue gun. We're going to slightly overlap. To turn these into actual jewelry, attach your earring hooks and a tiny gemstone right in the center of the brown circle for a bit of subtle sparkle. And there you have it, beautiful handmade boho earrings. I absolutely love how these turned out. They are so stylish, earthy, and incredibly lightweight to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below letting me know what colors you're going to try. And hit that subscribe button for more fun crochet patterns. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.